Human resource management. So today let us explore it. So before we explore it, let us define human resource management. Human resource management (HRM) is a strategic, integrated and coherent approach to the employment development and well-being of people working in organization. In other simple words, human resources can be explained as it is a formal system designed to manage people in an organization. To best understand them, let us take a look at its history, understand its role, and review its models. History. Human resource management evolved a great deal since its beginning around 1900. Here is the brief history of HR. It is believed that the first personnel management department began in the early 1900s. Personnel department clearly defined it in 1920s. The United States were largely concerned about the technical function. It began to face some social legislation prompts changes in 1960s. HRM developed in response to the competition experienced by late 1970s as a result of deregulation and rapid technological changes. In the 1990s, globalization and competition required HRM to become more concerned with planning and implication of various HRM strategic and both their employees. The role of human resource management professionals has dramatically evolved over years. This provides an overview of the past and future roles of human resource management professionals. If an organization has a formal group of human resource management, then the typically three different roles that group might play in an organization. All the three roles depends mainly on the work management wants HR and what competitions that HR staff demonstrate. The potential myths and roles are shown here. The primary role is strategic, which helps to define the business strategy relative to human capital and contribution to organization results. The strategic role links human resource strategy with organization missions and the work of people in the organization. The operational and employee advocate role manages most HR activities to keep with organizational strategy and serving as an employee champion to balance the issues of employees and employer. And finally, the administrative role, which favors and record keeping involving essential legal paperwork, complaints, and policy implementation. Human resource management has played an important role in the life of organization throughout modern history. In the past, role of human resource in the personal functions was highly administered, were clerical in nature. As you see in the right hand side of the model, where the past role were focused on transactional activities related to processing people related activities, whereas in the present role, which is seen in the right hand side of human resource management, as followed to focus on strategic contribution of HRM organizations. As organization tried to realize the great results, the critical role of people recognized by strategic role of human resource professionals to provide champion employees. HRM is a value-added function of the organization influencing key organizational outcome. Now, let us explore the simple human resource model. The pinwheel model suggests that the management of the human resources in the organization centers 8 key function areas. These functions are collection of specialized human resource management work for each functional area. Human resource professionals are responsible for key activities which can be seen in each box of the model. Thus, in view of its importance, it is quite essential to know both in qualitative and quantitative terms the size, role of growth of the composition, distribution and all other demographic features of population of India. Thank you.